Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That would be awesome. I'd really appreciate that. Yesterday I decided to get 2 mils of cheek filler just to add more dimension to my cheeks and make my apples of my cheeks a little bit bigger. So I went to Evolution Laser in Top Ryde and I met with Nurse Vichet. He was excellent. He was really good. I would recommend you guys go to him if you want to get this procedure done. So the total cost was $980 for 2 mils. For 1 mil it's $650, for 2 it's $980. The procedure wasn't paid for at all. There was a little bit of pressure in the cheeks, but nothing that I couldn't handle. So basically today I just wanted to do a quick makeup look. I've already done my foundation and I've done my concealer and I've set my under eye, and I just wanted to do a quick makeup look just to see what my cheeks look like with the makeup on. I noticed before I had this done that the left side of my face was fuller and had more dimension than my right side, so it was a little bit flatter. So now that he's evened it out, I'm excited to see what, you know, the bronzer would look like and the blush and the highlight would look like. So let's get into it. Let's see what it turns out to be, and hopefully enjoy the tutorial. The bronzer I'm using today is the Morphe palette and it looks like that. I'm using a kabuki brush. Okay, let's see. I'll start off with this color, I think. I'm gonna go with this color in the corner. Just gonna dab it in. Whoa, that's dark. All right, that's all good. We'll just buff it out. Looks okay. I'll just buff it out and then I'll go over it with my foundation brush just to diffuse it a little bit more. So far it looks good though. I like the dimension he's given to my face, so that's pretty awesome. So it's giving me a nice cheekbone. Okay, now with the blush, I'm going to be using a Sephora palette. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. And I think I'll use this peach color. That looks nice. I feel like it sits nicer, it's so pretty. For the highlight, I'm going to use the Sephora palette again in this color here. Now this is what I've been excited about because I always found that this side of my cheek would sit really nicely and this side of my cheek wouldn't. So I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like. So I'm just grabbing my Morphe mist spray. I'm just going to spray that. So excited. Here we go. Wow, that's so pretty. I just feel like my makeup sits so much nicer now. Well, there you go guys, it's all done. That's the makeup look. I think it worked out really well. I like the way that he's put filler up here to give me more dimension. He's put some in my cheeks, making them look a little bit plumper. Absolutely love it. Let me bring you guys close in so you can have a look at the makeup look. I don't have any eyelashes on because I don't have any eyelashes left since I decided to pull them out. So I just wore no mascara. Love it, looks so good. What do you guys think? Does it suit me? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little tutorial with my new cheeks, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Any questions you have about my cheeks, I'll answer them for you down below, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.